Effects of 50 morning push-ups. Doing 50 push-ups every morning can have various benefits on the body. Push-ups are a compound exercise that works the chest, shoulders, arms, and abdominal muscles simultaneously. This exercise allows you to slowly build up overall strength and endurance. In the 30-day push-up challenge, doing 50 push-ups a day will transform the body in 30 days. However, it is important to note that the results may vary depending on the individual's fitness level and diet. Here are some of the benefits that have been observed in the 50 push-up a day challenge. 1. Increased muscle strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the chest, shoulders, arms, and abdominals. Doing 50 push-ups every morning can help to increase muscle strength in these areas. 2. Improved posture. Push-ups can help to improve posture by strengthening the muscles in the upper body and core. This can help to reduce the risk of back pain and other posture-related issues. 3. Increased confidence. Completing a 30-day push-up challenge and doing 50 push-ups every morning can help to increase confidence in oneself. 4. Increased muscle thickness. According to a 30-day push-up challenge, doing 50 push-ups a day can increase muscle thickness in the chest and triceps. 5. Improved overall fitness. Doing 50 push-ups every morning can help to improve overall fitness by increasing strength and endurance. It is important to note that the effects of doing 50 push-ups every morning may vary depending on the individual's fitness level and diet. It is also important to consult a doctor before starting any new exercise program.